session. We have completed revision of rational numbers, plotting of rational numbers, then with basics of irrational, after that real, and then we have concluded the last lecture with indices and cube roots. So today we are going to start with expansion, basics of expansion formula. Expansion formula. Now, what do we mean by expansion formula? It means whatever formulas we know, that we should actually know how it came. Earlier, we have just studied the formula of a plus b the whole square, and that is given by a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is very much clear. A plus b the whole square. How to write this? A plus b the whole square. It is given by a square plus 2ab plus b square. One more formula you have studied, a minus b the whole square. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. AB means a, 2 and a and b. All these three terms are multiplied. Here 2 is the coefficient of AB, and a and b are the two different terms which is being multiplied to each other. And one more formula, that is a square minus b square. Formula for this is given by a plus b into a minus b. This we have studied in our previous class, but today we will see how we got this formula. So let's start with first one. That is a plus b the whole square plus b the whole square. Now, as we know that a into a is a square, or x into x is x square. So here what we are having? We are having a plus b the whole square. So I will write it in the form a plus b multiplied to a plus b. Hope this step is clear. Now what you need to do, as we are having two terms in, this is my first bracket, this is my second bracket. I'm having two terms in first bracket and two terms in second bracket. So what I need to do, I will be taking first term of first bracket, and after that, this is called as addition distributes over multiplication. How do we split, and how each and every term should get multiplied? This is the rule. A into, take the whole second bracket, that is a plus b. Hope you have understood this. And after that, what remains in first bracket, we can see plus b. So right here plus b into, now write the second bracket, a plus b. So this is a splitting. This is the first part and this is the second part. Now, what do you need to do? You just need to apply your basic idea. As you know the basic form, that is whenever you are having 2 into x plus y, what do? You just multiply 2 to x? No. We multiply 2 to x as well as 2 to y. Why? Because it is being said that it is having x plus 2 times, x plus y 2 times. That is 2 into x. After that, we write this plus, and again 2 into y. This is the rule. So this rule we are going to apply here. After applying, what we will get? So when A is multiplied to A plus B, we get first A into A, then plus A into B. This is the first underlined term, how we simplify the term. Here, A get multiplied to both the terms present in the bracket. Now write this plus. After that, B into A and this plus again B into B. Hope you have understood this step easily and clearly how things evaluated. Now what do you need to do? A into A is A square plus A into B is AB plus this plus B into A is BA plus B into B is B square. Now, as we know that A into B is same as B into A. Why and how? We will take particular example to understand this. 2 3s are, answer is 6. 3 2s are, answer is 6. So from, as this is a general rule, but in order to understand why and how AB is same as BA, I have taken a particular example so that you can take any of the two numbers in your mind, you can multiply and you can check by yourself. I have given you a particular example here. Now, means as A into B is same as B into A, I can write this as A square plus AB plus AB plus B square. So this is A square plus AB is 2AB plus B square. So this is the formula for A plus B the whole square. Whatever we have marked it up in our earlier class, we have seen its expansion now. So we are doing an expansion formula. So this was the expansion of first formula. Please make a note, everyone, or take a screenshot so that you can go through afterwards. Now we'll see the second formula, expansion of second formula, that is A minus B the whole square. So A minus B the whole square, similarly as we have written A plus B the whole square as A plus B into A plus B, we'll be writing A minus B the whole square as A minus B into A minus B. Now, what is to be done? As we have applied the rule for A plus B, go or do similar steps for A minus B into A minus B. Only the difference is that instead of plus, we'll be having minus. And I hope you know the rules. Whenever we are having plus into minus, answer is minus. Minus into plus, answer is minus. Minus into minus, answer is plus. And you know about plus into plus, it remains plus only. It's addition. You should be very good in this. So let's be there only. We'll be using it. So now, as we have splitted the bracket, we'll be taking first term A, and after that, this is multiplication. A minus B. Okay. After that, minus B into, this is minus B into, we are going to write the whole second bracket, that is A minus B. Open the bracket. A into A, as we are having plus sign, we'll be writing A into, with B I'm having minus, so minus B. Hope this step is clear. I'm going to apply this plus minus rule. So because of which I have written the rule here. So now we are having minus B, so write it as it is, into A. Again we are having minus B. This time we are having minus B into minus B. So directly you can write minus minus as plus here, plus B into B. As minus minus gets converted to plus, minus B into minus B. So we got the sign as positive B. Now we know that A into A is A square, plus minus is minus, A into B is AB, minus B into A is BA, plus B into B is B square. We'll write on top now. B into B is B square. Now this again can be written as A square minus AB. As we know that BA is nothing but AB. So again, I'll be writing it as AB. We have used this form in the earlier formula, so no need to explain it again. Plus B square. This is A square minus minus. When it comes to additive form, earlier we have used minus into minus, which is plus. Now, when we talk about, this minus 1, minus 2, what is the answer? Minus minus plus. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and sign of largest number. The largest number is 2, and its sign is minus. So write here minus. So this is the rule that we are going to follow here, minus minus. And if they are same, we take the sign which both of them is having. If they are having minus, write minus. They are having plus, write plus. So here they are having minus, so write minus. Minus minus plus, 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is minus 2. So as both the terms were same, I've given an example so that it won't create any confusion. This is minus 2AB plus B square. This all, whatever we are doing expansion formula, this is very important. All the higher classes, 9, 10, 11, 12, or for your engineering classes, because from here we can conclude with our roots. And when it comes to root, we come to know the actual point, what we search for. So this actually gives us the coordinate, which we will come to know in our higher classes. This is the basic that we are doing. Things are getting accelerated here. So now third one. Consider a plus b into a minus b. So now you can see, we can directly apply the, means this type of sums, if we are going to see, we can directly apply the formula. But before applying the formula, we should know how we are getting. First, we should know the expansion which we are learning here. As you have already done this in your previous class, but still we should know. And we are doing this so that things will become easier and you will be comfortable with your coming or higher mathematics. So take first term, that is a into, next is a minus b, and after that the second term is plus b. So write plus b here into the second bracket, that is a minus b. Okay, hope things are clear. Now open the bracket, multiplication distributes over subtraction this time. A into a plus a into minus b, right, plus b into a plus b into minus b. Multiplication distributes over subtraction. So a into a is a square, plus into minus is minus, a into b is ab, plus b into a is ba, plus into minus is minus, b into b is b square, so this is a square. I can see terms with opposite sign. If you want to write it in the same form, first write in the same form and then we will cancel. AB plus AB minus B square. So we are having X square minus AB plus AB plus B square. Now what we can see, what is our observation? The term AB is present with opposite sign. And what is the actual feature? If we are having 2 minus 2, what is the answer? 0. If we are having 100 minus 100, what is the answer? 0. If we are having x minus x, answer is 0. Similarly, we are having AB minus AB. What should be the answer? 0. But the things are same, way of writing is different. Instead of AB minus AB, you are having minus AB plus AB. So you can write minus 1 plus 1 or 1 minus 1, and you will get 0 only. So here the terms, they cancel each other, means 0. What remains? A square minus b square. Done. So we have expanded all the three formulas, and we'll be expanding some higher formulas also. But before that, we will expand some. You have expanded x plus or a plus b the whole square. In same term, we have multiplied. But now we will be seeing expansion of x plus a and x plus b. Let's see how it's get multiplied. But before moving to that, we will do some basic ideas, see how things are correlated. Let me draw one figure so that you can understand. say we are having a rectangle. It's again being divided into 4 rectangles, as you can see on the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangle divided into 4 rectangle again. Say this value is x, this value is a, this value is b, and this value is y. Or say this is x. So that we will come to know x into x. And here, as we are using the terms x, a and b, so we'll be using x and no y. Okay. So when x, as you know, how to get the area of a rectangle? How do we get area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. The length and breadth both are same. So area is given by x into x, which is nothing but x square. Hope things are clear. X into x, x into x, and we know that x into x is x square. Now, this is x means this is x, since opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. This is x and this is b. This is x into b. You can write either it as xb or you can write it as bx. Both mean same, as we have discussed in our earlier expansion. Here we are having x and here we are having a. So x when multiplied to a or a when multiplied to x gives me ax or xa. Both are same. And a when multiplied to b gives me ab or ba. Whatever terms you feel like writing, both means the same. That's why I'm writing or, so that it won't create any confusion. Sir, whether we should write xa or we should write ax. If you write either, it is correct, no issues. But normally, what we write ax. We write ab, not ba. We write bx, not xb. For our convenience or our convention, we write this. But as per example or as per rule, you can write ax or xa. Both are correct. So let's move to expansion of x plus a. Hope it is visible here. We can conclude the problem here. X plus a when multiplied to x plus b. So what we need to do in this case, we need to multiply. In first bracket will get separated to second bracket. So first step is write this x into the second bracket, that is x plus b. Next plus a into x plus b. Very simple. This is first term, whole second bracket, and the second term and whole second bracket. First splitted over, or first bracket splitted over the second bracket. X into x, write this plus sign, x into b. After that, again the splitting of a into x plus a into b. Hope even this step is clear. Now, as we have done for earlier problems, just multiply the things, as we know that x into x is x square x into b is bx, or if you want xb, you can write xb, no problem. I'm writing bx plus a into x is ax plus ab. Hope you have understood this. Now, what you can see, what is our observation? You observe that we can take x common from here as x is present in both the terms. Here also x is present, and here also x is present. Here x square is present. Leave it. It is having degree 2, so we can write this as x square plus x is common in the sense we can write this as b plus a into x plus ab. Done. So this is the expansion of two different factors. This is the first one and the second one. When we get multiplied, we get the form of x square plus b plus a x plus ab. Now let's do some basics. If you want, we'll be doing some activity based on the formula that we have studied now. Let's do some activity and then we'll move to some problems. So first activity, if we are having x plus 2y the whole square. So we're having x square plus dash plus 2y square is 4y square. They're asking us to complete this. So we know the formula. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In this case, a is x and b is 2y. So the term required is 2 into ab, which is 2 into value of a is x, value of b is 2y. What do we get? 2 2s are 4xy. So right here, 4xy. Hope this is clear. We require this term. And what we have done, we have just compared. Got the value of a as x, got the value of b as 2y. So 2ab is solved as 2 into x plus 2 into x into 2y. 2 2s are 4. X into y is xy. I've written this. This is the answer. We have completed this activity. Copy it down if you want, but you can take a screenshot. We'll do next activity. Let's do this. 101 square. How this can be done? 101 square. Yeah, just make a formula, which will be convenient for you. As we can easily get the square of 1. 1 square is 1. 10 square is 100. 100 square is 10,000. Means you have to just double the zeros, as 0 was 2. So I got, after squaring 4 zeros, and so on. So square of finding 100 is very much easier for us. So we can split it as 100 plus 1 the whole square. So this is a plus b the whole square form. Just apply the formula. 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. So this is clear. 100 square is nothing but 10,000 plus 2 into 100 is 200 plus 1 square is 1. This is 10,201. Done. the answer. Let's move to next. Yeah, now we'll be doing example. Two different factors with different sign. Say expand a plus 2 into a minus 1. How to do the expansion? A into the second bracket a minus 1 plus 2 into the second bracket a minus 1. After this, what we need to do? A into a plus a into minus 1. Whenever you're having minus 1 or minus 2 or a term with minus sign, just take it in a bracket plus 2 into a plus 2 into minus 1. So this is equal to a into a square, a into minus 1 is minus a plus 2a, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So what we can observe from here, we are having the similar term. Whenever we have a similar term, we can add or subtract as per the given condition. As we are having 2a, you can write 2a minus a, or you can write minus a plus 2a. Both means the same. 2a minus a. 2a minus a. 2a minus a, answer is a. If you won't understand, you can write 2a as a plus a, answer is 2a. So you can write 2a as a plus a, after that minus. You can cancel these two terms. What remains? Only a. So a square and sign. Only a I am getting with plus sign. And here minus 2. Done. Just use your basic ideas, basic calculation, and things will be very easy. You will easily conclude the problems. If your basics are bit dull, work on your basics. What we are doing right now, we are doing a very basic things so that you won't be getting any confusion part when we do our algebra session of 9th standard. So this all are the basics, which is very important, which you should revise it again and again. Even though you are knowing, you are getting the answers for each and every problem. Just try to understand the basic: plus, minus, when plus is getting multiplied to minus, when plus is added to minus, and minus are getting added up, what will happen or what answers we are getting. This we need to work on. Yeah, we'll take next example. That is p plus 8 when multiplied to p minus 3. So in this case, what we need to do, we need to just again, only terms have been changed. Otherwise, we need to take the same steps. Yeah. Yes. P into P, or direct. You can do it directly, or we will go stepwise. No problem. P minus 3 means first term into the second bracket plus second term into the second bracket. Open the bracket. P gets distributed over the subtraction. So P into P plus P into minus 3 plus 8 into P plus 8 into minus 3. P into P is P square. P into minus 3 is minus 3P plus 8P plus minus minus 8 3s are 24. So what do we get? P square. Now this are two same terms, same in the sense they're having P common. That's why I'm saying same term. Otherwise, they're having different coefficient. So 8P minus 3P. Taking 3 out of 8, answer is 5P. Right here. 5P minus 24. Done. We have concluded this problem. We'll move to next. Now, A plus B and A minus B type problem. Right. Thirteen plus X when multiplied to 13 minus X. Either you can do the expansion or you can apply the formula. As we know the formula, we can use formula, but if you want to expand, as they are saying expand it, so we'll be expanding this. 13 multiplied to 13 minus X plus X multiplied to 13 minus X. So just open the bracket. 13 into 13 plus 13 into minus X. And here plus X into 13 plus X into minus X. This is very easy for you as we have done expansion in general form. This we have taken a particular example to understand the expansion of the formula or how it can be applied. This is a, you can say, basic application of the formula that we have studied. So 13s are 169, or you can say 13 square. You should know square of the numbers as well as you should know square of numbers till 30, so that whenever required, you will directly get the answer. 12 square is 144, 14 square is 196. So I got here 13 square, which is directly calculated. 13 into 13, 13 square is 169. Plus into minus is minus, so I'm getting 13x, minus 13x. And here, plus x into 13. So as per convenience, x 13, or I'll be writing 13x. Because I've written minus 13x before this. My plus minus is minus, x into x is x square. So from here, I can see that this both the terms are same. Same in the sense, same with coefficients also. So plus 13 minus 13 gets cancelled. What remains? 169 minus x square. This is the answer. I will move to next problem. Both the terms having a variable now. Earlier we have done the problem to type one variable, one numeric term present. Now we'll be having both the terms as variables. Say 9x minus 5t and multiplied to 9x plus 3t. So what you need to do, just apply the rules that we are doing. Take the first term, that is 9x, multiplied to the second bracket, 9x plus 3t. Now take the second term, minus 5t, multiplied to the second bracket, 9x plus 3t. Just go through, very simple. After what you need to do, just open the bracket. While opening a bracket, make sure that the term which is present outside, it get multiplied to the each and every term present in the bracket. If you are multiplying this term only to a single term present in a bracket or only to one term of the bracket, then that is absolutely wrong. It gets distributed to each and every term present in the bracket. 9x into 9x plus 9x into 3t. So here we are having minus, so plus into minus is minus, minus 5t into 9x, again plus into minus is minus, 5t into 3t. So the coefficient part will get multiplied to each other, and if variables are same or different, they will be multiplying to each other. So from first term, what we get? 9 into 9, 9 square, which is 81. X into x is x square. Plus 9 threes are 27. X into t, xt. 9 fives are 45 minus sign. T into x is tx or xt. I've told you earlier, both means the same. Minus 5 threes are 15. T into t, t square. Now some more simplification is required. We are having minus 45 xt and we are having 27 xt. So taking out 27 xt from 45, what we are going to get? We are going to get minus 18 xt. Why minus? Because we are having a negative sign of the largest number or biggest number, you can say. See here, 45 and 27. Which one is the largest or greater? You can say 45 is greater than 27, but 45 is having minus sign. So 81x square minus 18xt minus 15t square. Done. We are through with this problem. One more problem I will like to do for you. Say having a fraction term present. The example. M plus 2 by 3 into M minus 7 by 3 again M into the second bracket M minus 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into the 7 bracket M minus 7 by 3 second bracket. Now just apply this multiplication distributes over subtraction. So M multiplied to M plus M multiplied to minus 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3 multiplied to M. We can see calculations are very easy. Plus 2 by 3 multiplied to minus 7 by 3. So what we need to do? M into M, M square minus 7 by 3M. This is plus 2 by 3M. And plus minus is minus. Since 2 sevens are 14, 3 into 3 is 9, since we are having a multiplication form. So now what we are having? We are having minus 7 plus 2. Since denominator is same, we can take 3 and M is common out of this two terms. So minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 by 3M. So we can write this as M square minus 5 by 3M minus 14 by 9. Done. So enough for today. In next lecture, we'll do expansion of some higher order formulas and problems based on that. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.